destiny.
But one thing for sure is that
Don't ignore that I really am gonna get pregnant.
Destiny will bring us to a July 2008 medical mission in Marilao and Reunion. And that is for sure, because we've already planned the dates, we're already collecting money for advertisements and contributions, and it's just a matter of time that we'll be holding another blissful reunion and a blessed medical mission in Marilao. That's July 2008.
Since you're going to
July
have another
13.
baptism in Fort
July
next
13,
year.
2008.
Oh, I'll postpone my pregnancy.
Okay.
I'll wait until 2011. I'll be 62.
Anyway, I would like to announce the presence of Batch 71 headed by Mr. and Mrs. Joe Hipolito. And my son Edwin. Sergeant Gonzalez from the U.S. Marine. He's my son. Thank you. Okay. And Mendoza and everybody in Batch 71 and Terry, Batch 77. And I want to acknowledge the presence of everybody, classmates and spouses. I want to let you know that I feel that I was talking to Joe. I said, look at this guy.
They're getting old.
These are just a few from people from classmates from America, Canada, and Australia, but they are all leaders in their own right, in their own world. And I want to say to you, because this is not possible without your presence. And the truth of the matter is, Paring Rolly, as he said after our medical mission and reunion last year, he said, Speedy, I'm thinking of something else, like creating a website to unite and bring all alumni together. Then he said, will you be willing to be my partner? I said yes. So from then on we have a commitment. This will be our legacy to MC, and to make sure that we connect to all leaders and bring activities to the website for access to all MC graduates and all people around the world. And one of our roles, I want you to hear this.
Hindi ba tinigil?
I want to hear this because I know that we are together in this, and I know that this is our passion and our dream to bring MI65, to make MI65 one of the best, if not the best, in all classes of all MC of all time. That's my dream. To bring, we are not after personal glory, you know. He said, Speedy, we are not after personal glory. We have a lot of those already. I said, yeah, and what do we do now? So, the thing we're doing now is trying to connect all these leaders of all classes from, not from 1929, because some of them were then maybe in the 40s to the 2000s. And we are about 20 to 25% completion. And one of the latest was that of the Hippolytos of Batch 71. They are really doing great. And we are advising them on how to proceed with the reunion, with the gatherings that would come any time now. But I'm so glad that you invited me. Invited me like I thought of myself as like it is not only MI65, you know. It is the whole MI that we would like to bring legacy to. And for that, you know, I'm happy for that. You know, I want to share this with everybody. Even to the class 71 and all of you. It's really great, but one of the things that I want to tell you is like one is difference that the inspiration that MI65 gives me is big. It's huge, you know. It's like maybe heavenly or divine, you know. Pardon my saying, you know. It's if I will ask Evelyn, you know, the inspiration I'll get from my class 55 is some sort of a given in an equation, a common denominator.
See the picture.
It is like it's something that doesn't go away. It's always there. It's something that I always resort to when I'm melancholy or unhappy. And when I think of my class 55, it makes me go on and be inspired to do what I've been doing. And that is to continue reconnecting and doing all these gatherings that will be not only for the good part, but for the good of communities, Marilao, Mikawayan, maybe later on Valenzuela or Bukaw. Who knows? So I want you to know, I want to thank everybody for this, and I want to tell you that the inspiration that MI65 gave me, it was, it still is, and it always will be the best inspiration that I've ever had, you know. So I know we're running late. In closing, I would like to thank everybody, and as I said before, the mini reunion in New York, sparked by Echi and Evelyn, started the gathering. After that, we went to our medical mission and reunion in Marilao. For some reason, it led us to where we are now. Who knows? You know, maybe next year it will lead us to another mini reunion in Texas, right? But definitely, what I can say is that everything here will lead to a July 2008 medical mission and reunion. And I can say that in the shining instance in our lives, nothing will give me more pleasure than for you, all of you, to be by my side, our side again. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. I wanna echo what has been expressed here this afternoon, I think. Thank you for initiating what we are doing here this afternoon. But I want to say that I'm here today. I could have easily thought of many reasons why I could not be here. You know? But no, I decided to come because I knew that this time would be meaningful for all of us. And so what I want to celebrate today with you is not only what Speedy and Rolly have done for us, but especially I want to celebrate with you the spirit, the person of the two people we are honoring this afternoon. We want you to know that we love you. We appreciate you. We respect you. And we thank God for the blessing of you being you. I am very happy to be here to see all of you here. Especially Eden. Do you believe me?
I don't believe you.
So I'm hoping that we will be able to continue in this kind of relationship. Not only the things that we are able to do, but really celebrating the being. How would you describe our being today? Huh?
I graduate. The blessing.
Pagod na ako kakatawa.
It's destiny, no?
Yeah. So I love you.
Love you.